how to redirect domains in Cloudflare. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to create a redirection for your different domains in Cloudflare. So it's very simple. Look over here in our Cloudflare, look over here on the left side. You're simply going to select rules over here. In this rules, as you can see, this is where you will be able to create a redirection. So for example, over here, redirect from HTTP to HTTPS. So you could choose from the different options over here, different rules. For example, redirect to a new URL. So we could create a rule over here. So basically here, you're simply going to enter the URL that you have or like your domain and where you want it to be redirected to. So these are different templates, different designs over here. So simply look for the one that applies to your specific situation or applies to the specific action that you want to occur on your website or on the domain that you're trying to handle. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.